to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the De La Salle Lady Spikers for winning over the UP Fighting Maroons in 4 sets. The Lady Spikers are now at 2-2. We have Coach Noel Orculio, Angel Canino, Shebs Laput, and Lilay de Castillo. Coach, congratulations for this bounce back win. So, napalaban kayo sa UP. So, at ito, first meeting ni Coach Camille tsaka ni Coach Bok. So, ano yung masasabi mo na ito, mabigat yung dinaanan nyo against you?
Actually, wala namang mahinang team ngayon sa UAAP. Lahat talaga matcha-challenge ka para na makalaban sila. Mataas na yung level ng ginagalaw ng bawat team. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng sasabing mahina yung kalaban. Kaya kailangan talagang i-challenge mo rin yung sarili mo para ma-overcome mo kung ano man yung ibibigay na laban sa iyo ng kalaban.
Thank you to Lilay. You had 4 blocks, 4 service aces, 3 attacks. So, what can you say about your performance this afternoon? And kumusta ka naman na, kasi binibigyan ka ng starting role, what can you say?
Yeah, thank you.
I'm super happy po sa performance ko ngayon kasi nag-translate po lahat ng pinaghirapan ko po sa training kung gaano ko po kinayod buong season. Ngayon po, super happy ako and nakakuha ko ng kumpiyansa ngayong game. And super duper happy ako na ganda yung performance ko today kasi sabi ko pagkagising ko, I'll dedicate this game for my nanay kasi birthday niya po ngayon. 61st birthday niya po ngayon. So sabi ko, I'll do my best to make her proud. And I know she have the best seat always sa arena. So sabi ko, I'll do my best for my nanay. Always, always.
Thank you, Lilay. Happy birthday to your mom. And Chefs, you have 15 of 39 attacks, 3 blocks, 3 service aces, and 5 digs. So, what can you say? It's a big bounce back win for you. Especially, you came from a top loss. What can you say?
Of course, we're very happy with this win because, again, coming from a loss, but I believe our team is going in the right direction, that we all just need to keep contributing, keep sticking to our system and doing our best because the fruits will come.
Thank you to Angel. You have 20 of 46 attacks, 4 blocks, 5 digs, and 4 exempt receptions. So, yun nga, as Chef say, slowly getting into the right direction. So, ano yung kailangan nyo para siyempre magtuloy-tuloy na yung pagkuha nyo ng panalo, especially very tough ang competition this season?
Same pa rin naman po, kahit na galing po kami sa talo and yung standing namin parang on edge din. Parang yung mindset talaga namin is one game at a time. And every game naman yun, ibang preparation naman yun. And yung maganda lang ngayon is may nagkakaroon na rin kami ng kumpiyansa sa team and sa sarili. Kaya sana madala-dala din po namin every game sa UAAP.
Thank you, Angel. Okay, sorry sa question.
Coach, ano lang ang pakiramdam para sa inyo? Kasi for the longest time kasama na si Coach Bok. Tapos ngayon, siya na yung nakaharap nyo on the other.
As usual, ganoon din naman since it's part of our job naman na to be a coach eh. So, kami, kung ano lang yung i-offer ni Coach Bok sa amin na laban, ganoon din naman kami. Tatapat lang naman din namin.
Angel, obviously, super tough yung loss last game. Kita sa mga mukha niyo talaga na you really wanted that win. Siguro ano na lang nagbago sa preparation, siguro paano naging mas competitive kayo sa practice. What changed in your preparation in this game?
Gaya nga po na sinabi niyo na parang tough loss talaga siya nung nangyari against UST. So, kinapitan namin ng sobra-sobra at nilaban namin, pero kulang pa rin. So, kaya kailangan namin magdobleng kaya din sa training at kailangan din namin magkaroon pa more ng connections sa bawat isa. And, ayun naman, after naman ng pagkatalo naman yun, parang lahat naman nag-adjust agad, naka-move on na agad, and lahat naman parang ginawa na lang ding hugot para maging better next time. Yay!
Coach, couple of games in sa UAAP season 87, siguro it's been quite up and down, even sa results. Siguro at this point, how are you feeling about the team in terms of yung ano yung gusto nyo makita from the girls this year?
Actually, ang gusto naman namin makita sa kanila to be top sa every game na dinadaanan namin. Kasi may mga times na, yun nga, like for example, yung game sa UST, nandoon na kami, then pagdating ng endgame, biglang bumibigay. So yun yung lagi namin inaano sa kanila, maging top sa every game. Laging panghawakan ko ano yung ginagawa namin.
For Liday, sabi mo nga kanina, papataas ng confidence to. Siguro, would you want to see more of this? Kapag masasabi mo bang ito na yung standard na siniset mo for yourself every time na lalabas ka for Luzon?
Syempre, parang every game may laging mas more pa. I mean, this could be the standard, pero for me, hindi na dapat like bababa. Dapat puro lang ako paangat. And every game, even training, doon ako kumukuha ng kumpiyansa and hoping na matanslate ko siya every game. And para makakontribute din sa team at para di masayang yung tiwalang binigay sa akin ng mga ates and ng mga coaches na maglaro sa loob.
Angel, may part lang dun sa game na bumalik ka saglit sa dugout. May kamusta ka naman yung conditioning mo? Is there anything na medyo masakit ngayon? Or...
I'm good.
Yeah.
Ayun lang ako sa I'm good. Kahit anong nakita nyo, ano lang po yan. Ano lang yan, onting sideline lang po yun. Pero okay na. Okay na po.
Coach, balik mo kay Coach Pokpok. Gano'n lang siguro kayo proud na makita na mag-grow siya sa coach din. Yun nga, yung UP, pinahirapan din kayo.
Kami naman, bilang matagal na kami magkakasama, siyempre, super proud kay Coach Bok since nag-go-grow talaga siya. Yun naman yung matagal na wini-wish ni Coach Ramil kay Coach Bok na magkaroon siya ng team na sa yung mag-head coach. So, super proud.
Kami rin. Super proud.
Sobrang Latino, Charis.
Angel, what's different lang sa Lasal this season? Bakit and what do you need para matigil siguro yung roller coaster start niyo?
Siguro what's different lang now is that hindi lang talaga consistent po ngayon kasi syempre bago lang din lahat. Bago yung setter, madami kami mga bata na kasama po. So, lahat talaga kailangan mag-adjust. Hindi lang yung mga bata, hindi lang po kami mga senior. So, lahat po talaga. Pero, ano naman ngayon is that onti-onti, nagje-gel po kami. Onti-onti, nandun na kami sa goal na gusto po namin, sa goal na gusto ni Coach Ramil. At onti-onti, doon na kami nagsistick sa sistema na meron si Coach Ramil long time ago.
Coach, your next match is against UE. Yes, what you said, walang mahina team. UE, even though they're at the bottom of the standings, they're still fighting. So, what can you say? Siyempre, mahirap mag-fall little sense of complacency. What can you say?
Actually, yun nga. We have 1 week to prepare for UE. So, hindi namin siya take it lightly na kalaban since maraming nawala sa UE. Yun yung lagi namin sinasabi sa mga bata. Kahit maraming nawala, nakita nyo naman lumalaban. Hindi po pwedeng baliwalain ang UE dahil every game laban sila. Kaya hanggat maaari, paghandaan, scout ko ano yung dapat i-scout sa kanila.
And lastly to Angel and Chefs, being the leaders of the team, so paano nyo ma-embrace? Siyempre, kayo na parang kayo lang yung mga rookies and kayo, yung artist na, what can you say?
Kami naman, as ate inside the court, lagi lang naman namin nire-remind yung bawat isa na kung anong kaya namin sa bawat game, kung anong mas lamang namin, kung anong pinunta namin, kung anong reason na pinunta namin, kung anong reason bakit kami lumalaban. Yun yung nire-remind namin bawat game talaga sa mga team at sa mga teammates namin na hindi lang basta-basta game to. kundi kailangan may pinaghuhugutan tayo kung bakit tayo lumalaban. Yung isang hugot na yun is yung mga challenges na hinarap namin during this UAAP season and of course, off-season po.
And Chefs, what do people look upon? What can you say?
As being one of the ates on the court for Angel and I, especially because we have at least 3 years, this is our 3rd year in UAP compared to the other bata, the rookies. So in saying that, there's a standard that we need to bring because we know that the team trusts in us and we need to be able to be there for them so that they can rely on us and that they are allowed to make those mistakes and grow as players, knowing that we're just here on the side supporting them.
Congratulations, Lila, Chef, Angel.
Yay! Thank you po!
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you po!